Hello, my name is Nathan. This is my final demonstration for the Dam Impact and Flood Risk Assessment tool. This web-based GIS application was designed to help users visualize potential dam failure zones, assess parcel-level impacts, and evaluate elevation-based risk. This tool is built for planners, emergency managers, and analysts who need fast, intuitive access to spatial data in high-stakes scenarios. Let's walk through its key features and how it supports real-world decision-making. This tool integrates several key GIS and T knowledge areas. For geospatial data management, live querying of statewide parcels, data, and dynamic layer control. For application development, it's built with Leaflet, turf.js, and modular JavaScript for maintainability. For cartographic design, it's thoughtful use of color, opacity, and layouts to support interpretation. And for spatial analysis, buffering, point and polygon tests, and elevation-based slope calculations. I've also focused on accessibility and clarity, making sure the tool is usable by both technical and non-technical audiences. To start, we have a splash screen. This interactive map helps you explore potential impacts of dam failures across Wisconsin. Whether you're a resident, planner, or emergency responder, understanding flood risk is key to preparedness. The buffer tool will help visualize zones around critical infrastructure. The elevation tool estimates flood reach based on terrain. The summary panel is there to see affected schools, hospitals, property value, and size. Use the map to explore your area, toggle layers, and simulate different scenarios. You can use the dam buffer tool by clicking the button, choosing your distance, and clicking a dam. You can also use the compare elevation tool by clicking the button and choosing 2 points on the map. When you are finished, click clear results and start again. Knowledge is the first step towards resilience. The interface is clean and user-friendly. On the left, we have tool buttons for buffering dams, comparing elevation, and for clearing your results. The map is interactive and the results are displayed both visually on the map and in the buffer query results area. To start, we have several layer options to include base maps. There's OpenStreetMap, satellite, rivers, watersheds. You can choose your watershed to see which watershed you are in by name. Dams, schools, hospitals. The parcel buffer results we'll get to, and we have our digital elevation model. Let's start with the buffer tool. I'll click the buffer dam button and select a dam on the map. I'll first also select my distance. If you select off a dam, you'll get a warning. Click directly on a dam. The tool checks proximity using a spatial threshold, then creates a buffer. Within this buffer, the app queries statewide parcel data from live Esri service and counts nearby schools and hospitals. These results are displayed in a table showing market value, acreage, count of critical infrastructure. You have market value here, total acreage, the schools and hospitals inside the buffer. This helps users quickly assess the economic and social impact of potential dam failure. When you're finished with this, you can use the Clear Results button. Next, the elevation tool. The elevation tool lets users click 2 points to compare elevation. It calculates slope and distance between 2 points. This is especially useful for understanding downstream risk or identifying vulnerable terrain. The results are shown in a pop-up with elevation difference, slope percentage, and distance, making it easy to interpret. Let's go here. We'll select the Milwaukee River. You don't need to select the river to use the tool. I'm just showing downriver and downstream impact. Compare elevation. Click 2 points on the map to compare elevation. And here you have the evaluation, elevation comparison. Again, when you are finished, you can click the Clear Results button. The Clear Results button is to keep the interface clean. It'll remove all layers and markers and the table data. To wrap this up, in summary, this tool provides a fast, intuitive way to access dam-related risk using live data and spatial analysis. It's designed to support emergency planning, infrastructure, assessments, and public safety decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this demonstration shows how geospatial tools can make a real-world impact.